Hello viewers, today we want to solve these quadratic equations on the board using a quadratic formula method which is known as almighty formula method. So the equation is x squared plus 5x plus 6 is equal to 0. Now to solve this, we are going to use the formula method, and the formula is given to be x is equal to minus b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. So whereas the values for a is the coefficient of x squared, which is 1, then while the b is the coefficient of the x, which is 5, and the c is the constant, which is 6. So we are going to substitute the values of a, b, c into this formula. So from the formula we have x is equal to minus b. So we have negative, and the b, the values of b is 5. So we put 5 there, plus or minus the square root of b is what is already 5. So we have 5 squared minus 4 multiplied by a. A is 1, then multiplied by c. C is 6. Then all over 2 multiplied by a, which is what? 1. So x is equal to minus, to open this bracket, so we have minus 5 plus or minus the square root of 5 squared is 5 times 5, which is 25, and minus 4 times 1 is 4, then 4 multiplied by 6, so we have 24, then everything over 2 times 1 is 2. So from here we have x is equal to minus 5 plus or minus the square root of 25 minus 24 is 1, and all over 2. So our x is equal to minus 5 plus or minus, what is the square root of 1? The square root of 1 is 1, and all over 2. Now we have two things here, minus 5 plus or minus 1 over 2. So we can separate them as x is equal to minus 5 plus 1 over 2, or minus 5 minus 1 over 2. So x equal to minus 5 plus 1 is minus 4 over 2, or minus 5 minus 1 is minus 6 over 2. By carrying out the divisions, minus 4 divided by 2, so we have minus 2, or minus 6 divided by 2, so we have what? Minus 3. So therefore, our x is equal to minus 2 or minus 3. So the values for x to satisfy this equation to be 0 is either minus 2 or minus 3. So bye bye.